Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Keedex number GRD-8A. This is an 8-inch guard for gates for knob trim is what it is. Specifically intended to guard knobs that are installed on gate applications, which will help prevent the reaching around to access the knob. Durable aluminum powder coat finish over a steel base material. Diameter about 4.5 with an 8-inch height. Let's check that first. So diameter. Right, just there you go, 4.5 inch roughly. And inside diameter, the gauge of the material is not listed, but allow me to give you the gauge material. The item weighs about 2 3/4 pounds, so it's quite heavy. Gauge appears to be .080, so 80 thousandths of an inch thick. The height, they have it at 8 inch. Let's test that. Indeed, that's the case. And then it will have an aluminum powder coat finish. Powder coating is done with temperature, electricity, connecting the molecules of the paint down to the base material, making it a durable sort of finish. You're going to have 4 screws that will be included, and obviously those are going to go from the inside tube down to the back of the gate. And the bottom line is, it's really just, its entire life is meant to prevent people from getting their hand over the gate and getting the lock open. So that's why these are used. And in those instances, they're crucial. Sometimes you're going to see perforated metal that's been welded in place, but a lot of times you don't have that ability, or the gate is simply something that's maybe 5 foot tall. And in that event, without a tube like this, you'll have it easy to reach in and around, obviously eliminating the value of the locking hardware that's on the gate, especially if it's an electric strike sort of situation. The name Keedex is synonymous with gate hardware, especially weldable gate boxes, those items that are used in the construction of gates for you to install lock sets onto. Makes it fast and easy when creating gates. But Keedex also is a name synonymous with locksmithing tools, and then armored door loops, hardware to transfer power, low voltage power, from a wall to a frame, or a wall to a door, or a frame to a door, etc. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Keedex products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. I'm realizing that I've not given you the ID of this hole. Let me do that now. About 2 11/16. 2 11/16 diameter. So keep that in mind. That's what you're dealing with. And then finally, there's a link to the full Keedex product catalog on that manufacturer's page where you can review all things Keedex hardware related. If you have any questions on the Keedex GRD-8A guard knob for gates or any other Keedex product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.